Good morning, my prepper posse. It is Saturday. We're at the end of the month, end of April. And, I'm a nervous wreck. We're getting ready to cut the hole in the ceiling there it is, for the wood stove. So, yeah, I'm a nervous wreck, but we gotta do it, because the wood stove was the biggest thing that we need, for any type of winter. So, hold on. So the pipe's got to go up through the roof. Sorry I turned the camera around on you. And we got to measure for the rest of the flues. We may have to get two 24s to go up through. I don't know yet. But this is the stuff that you need. We can do this. In the end, I want it to look like this. The Grizzly also comes with, the little bread maker on top. You can cook on it, which is nice. And I have coffee makers like that as well. I'm very excited. This is what the stove looks like. It is the Grizzly. So as we get this hole cut and whatnot and get over that anguish, because it's nerve-wracking to cut a hole on the bus, I'll keep you all posted. Have a great Saturday. See you!